Hello, I am Noni serving as the technical lead at Cominfo. Today, I'm excited to present one of our success stories about implementing real-time data analytics. WC Bradley, a multinational manufacturer operating across the globe, faced challenges in extracting actionable insights from their vast pool of data. Their legacy reporting processes were time-consuming, error-prone, and lacked real-time visibility into key metrics such as sales performance, inventory levels, and customer behavior. Among the challenges that WCB was encountering were data fragmentation, limited insights, manual processes, scalability. The solution: WCB partnered with Cominfo to implement Power BI and streamline their reporting and analytics processes. The outcomes were remarkable, encompassing real-time insights, improved efficiency, enhanced decision-making, scalability. Overall, the implementation of Power BI transformed WCB's data into actionable insights, driving operational efficiency and enabling strategic growth initiatives. If you are considering adopting Microsoft Fabric, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help you.